What if I told you this tiny seed once triggered wars, fueled the spice trade, inspired dark legends, and can both heal and harm your body? In islands where the trade winds sing, nutmeg wakes beneath their wing. A tiny seed with secrets kept, where suns have kissed and shadows slept. This is the untold story of nutmeg, the spice that changed the world. Let's rewind about 1,000 years. Spices were more than flavor, they were medicine, currency, and luxury rolled into one. Among them, nutmeg was the crown jewel. Its shell is rough, its heart is gold, a treasure ships once crossed to hold. With whispers soft as autumn's sigh, it perfumes air as years drift by. Nutmeg comes from a tropical tree called Myristica fragrans, native only to a tiny cluster of islands in Indonesia, the Banda Islands. For centuries, this was the only place in the world where nutmeg grew. Arab traders and the secret of nutmeg's origins. In medieval times, Arab traders had a monopoly on nutmeg and other eastern spices. To protect their source, they invented wild stories about where nutmeg came from. Like, nutmeg trees only grow in valleys filled with deadly serpents, so harvesting must be done by monkeys or birds. These stories were meant to scare off competitors and protect the location of the Banda Islands, which remained unknown to Europeans for centuries. Arab traders brought nutmeg to Europe, but its source remained a tightly kept secret, until the age of exploration. It hums of hearths in winters past, of stories told as storms rushed fast, of ancient healers wise and kind, who knew the magic spice could bind. In the 1500s and 1600s, the Portuguese, Dutch, and British launched full-scale expeditions to the Banda Islands. Why? Because nutmeg was worth its weight in gold. The Dutch eventually seized control and enforced a brutal monopoly. They even committed massacres in Banda to maintain control. The Nutmeg Wars and the Banda Massacre, 1621. The spice that was worth killing for. In the 1600s, the Dutch East India Company, VOC, wanted to control the global nutmeg trade. At that time, nutmeg grew only on the Banda Islands, Indonesia, and the local Bandanese people were trading it freely with the English and other nations. When the Bandanese refused to grant the Dutch a monopoly, the VOC, led by Jan Pieterszoon Cohen, launched a brutal campaign. In 1621, the Dutch massacred or enslaved nearly the entire native population of the Banda Islands. This event became one of the first examples of corporate-backed genocide in history, done in the name of controlling a spice. It's often called the Nutmeg Wars and is a chilling reminder of how one spice changed the fate of a people. Manhattan was traded for nutmeg, sort of how nutmeg gave the Dutch New York. In 1667, the Dutch and British were still battling for trade dominance. They signed the Treaty of Breda, where the Dutch ceded New Amsterdam, now New York City, to the British. In return, the British gave the Dutch full control of Run Island, a tiny nutmeg-producing island in the Banda chain. Why? Because nutmeg was more valuable than land. Exchange rate, 1667, Manhattan approximately equals 1 nutmeg island. Looking back, it seems absurd, but at the time, Run Island was considered more strategically and economically valuable than all of New Amsterdam. Nutmeg wasn't just a spice, it was a weapon of empire. So Nux moscata literally meant, the musky nut, or the perfumed nut. And that perfectly describes nutmeg's warm, aromatic scent. Middle English, Notmoog, Modern English, nutmeg. Could soothe the nerves, inspire the muse, lift weary souls and gently fuse the body, breath, and dreaming withstand flavors earthy, sweet, refined. An ancient Greek goddess myth about the nutmeg perfume bomb. The nutmeg bomb of Eudora, goddess of sweet winds. A forgotten myth of fragrance and healing. Long ago, when the world was young and the great gods still walked the earth, there lived a gentle minor goddess named Eudora, daughter of the west wind. She tended not to storms or tempests, but to the sweet, warm breezes that glide through olive groves at dusk and stir the hearth smoke of peaceful homes. Eudora had one sacred gift: she could calm the troubled heart of any mortal simply by touching the air around them. But as ages passed, mortals grew heavy with worry and their hearts no longer lifted so easily. Even Eudora found her winds unable to soothe their restless spirits. So she journeyed to the Garden of the Hesperides, where the golden light never fades, seeking a fragrance powerful enough to bring comfort back into the world. In the garden she found a small tree bearing round, brown seeds that glowed faintly as if lit from within. When she cracked one open, a warm, sweet scent rose up, rich, comforting, ancient. The eldest Hesperid, Aegle, approached and whispered, "This is the heartseed, born from the tears of Gaia. Its scent warms the soul and chases away sorrow." Eudora thanked the sisters and carried the seeds to Hecate, the goddess of herbs, who taught her the old craft of making balms. Together they melted beeswax, blessed by the humble honeybee, symbol of harmony. They added oil pressed under the new moon, smooth and pure. Eudora grated the glowing heartseed, what mortals would one day call nutmeg, letting its fragrance bloom into the mixture. As the balm cooled, Hecate spoke, "This is no ordinary perfume. Whoever anoints themselves with this balm shall feel the gentle winds of your spirit. Their fears will soften. Their hearts will warm. Their path will clear." And so it was. Eudora carried the balm across villages and mountains, leaving it in the hands of healers, mothers, and traveling singers. Wherever it was used, peace followed. The fragrance drifted through kitchens, temples, and sleeping chambers, bringing dreams filled with golden light. Though the ages have buried her name, the balm endures. Every time a mortal warms beeswax, stirs in a little oil, and grates fresh nutmeg into the golden mixture, Eudora's breath returns. A whisper of the sweet wind, a touch of ancient comfort, a blessing carried forward from a forgotten goddess. And those who wear the balm carry a piece of her gift, a quiet, sweet warmth to soothe the world around them. And now some simple recipe: nutmeg perfume balm, with beeswax. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons carrier oil, jojoba, sweet almond, olive, or coconut, 0.1 tablespoon beeswax. 1 teaspoon grated nutmeg, freshly grated smells strongest. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional but warm and lovely. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla bean or 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. 1 to 2 drops frankincense essential oil, optional, but very ancient. How to make it: melt the beeswax plus oil. In a small heatproof bowl or jar, warm, 2 tablespoons carrier oil. 1 tablespoon beeswax. Use a double boiler style setup, bowl in a pot of hot water or very low heat. Add nutmeg plus optional spices. Stir in grated nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla. Let them warm in the melted mixture for 5 to 10 minutes to release aroma. Strain. Pour the liquid mixture through a fine strainer or cheesecloth into a clean container. If you don't strain, the balm will be more rustic, also totally fine. Add optional essential oils. If using frankincense essential oil, add only 1 to 2 drops. Pour and cool. Pour into a small tin, lip balm pot, or pretty glass jar. Let it cool until solid. How it smells: warm, musky, sweet, cozy, like spiced wood, vanilla warmth, soft autumn air, ancient resin shops. Nutmeg plus beeswax creates a scent that feels timeless and comforting. Apply to wrists, neck, heart center, or hair tips. Warm skin releases the fragrance beautifully. Why beeswax works so well: in ancient times, balms were made with beeswax, oil aromatics. Beeswax preserves the perfume, adds a honey gold scent, and makes the aroma last longer on the skin. Fast forward to today, nutmeg is no longer an empire maker, but it still packs a punch. This seed is a functional superfood with some impressive health benefits. Oh nutmeg, little globe of fire, you spark the tongue and stir desire, and in your scent, I always find a tender peace to ease my mind. Health benefits of nutmeg. 1. Brain health. Nutmeg contains compounds like myristicin and maculignin, which show promise for protecting brain cells and improving memory. Preliminary research suggests these compounds could slow the progression of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 2. Natural painkiller. It's got anti-inflammatory properties, making it helpful for easing joint pain and muscle soreness. Some pain relief creams even include nutmeg oil. 3. Better sleep. Having trouble sleeping? Try a pinch of nutmeg in warm milk. This old remedy is backed by science. Nutmeg helps calm the nervous system and can promote more restful sleep. 4. Digestive support. Nutmeg stimulates digestive enzymes and can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. Just a sprinkle is enough. 5. Skin and oral health. Nutmeg oil has antimicrobial properties. It's used in some toothpaste formulas and natural acne remedies. There is the dark side of nutmeg. Nutmeg is powerful, but in high doses, it can be dangerous. Very dangerous. More than 1 teaspoon in a day can lead to side effects like nausea, dizziness, dry mouth, and even hallucinations. This is due to myristicin, a psychoactive compound in nutmeg. In high amounts, it acts like a hallucinogen, affecting the central nervous system. There are reports throughout history of people using nutmeg recreationally, with terrible consequences, ranging from paranoia to hospitalization. Safe daily dose of nutmeg, less than 1/4 teaspoon. Today, nutmeg is a staple in many households. You'll find it in pumpkin spice lattes, hot beverage holiday desserts, pie Indian and Middle Eastern dishes, curry rice fragrances and perfumes. Lotion bottle. Just remember, a little goes a long way. When used wisely, nutmeg adds flavor, comfort, and even healing. Grate it fine and watch it fall, like stardust in your kitchen hall. A pinch can warm the coldest night, and turn the simplest dish to light. Recipe: Golden Nutmeg Oat Bowl, healing and easy, a warm, creamy oat bowl infused with nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla. No refined sugar, high in fiber, calming for digestion, and ready in under 10 minutes. Ingredients: 1 to 2 servings, 1 cup rolled oats, 1 3/4 cups water or unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon freshly grated nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Pinch of sea salt. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional. Optional toppings: banana slices, chopped walnuts, berries, chia seeds. Instructions: combine the oats, water, or milk, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt in a small pot. Bring to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Cook 10-15 minutes until creamy. Turn off heat, cool down and stir in vanilla and honey, maple, if using. Serve warm with toppings like banana plus walnuts or berries plus chia seeds. Why this recipe heals. Nutmeg supports digestion, calms the nervous system, and warms circulation. Cinnamon balances blood sugar. Oats nourish the gut and provide slow-burning energy. Walnuts and chia add omega-3s for brain and hormone health. Legacy of a spice. Nutmeg isn't just a spice, it's a survivor of centuries of war, trade, and transformation. From ancient medicine to imperial conquest, from dark side effects to powerful healing, this tiny seed carries a story as rich and complex as any in history. Do you use nutmeg in your diet or in your beauty routine? Please write in the comments section below. I will see you in my next nutritional video. Please watch my next nutritional video or my nutritional healing video podcast. Here's my ode in humble praise, to you, warm spice of golden days, For every great, each dancing plume turns simple life to sweet perfume. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.